Oh my god, what is up? Finally back to streaming. I don't think I have, but that's fine. Um, I forgot how to stream. I'm not going to lie. Whoa, मेरे को अपनी आवाज आ रही है. What? 1 second. मेरे को अपनी आवाज क्यों आ रही है अभी? So the thing is, we will just catch up, just a little bit. You know what I mean? Nice, let's go. Professional streamer, by the way. Okay, I have stuff ready. इधर से आवाज आ रही है. My god. Okay, I'm gonna pop out chat. So we're gonna catch up थोड़ा. क्या चल रहा है? Last week stream नहीं करा because family time. In fact, अभी stream के लिए late भी इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि I was talking with family by the way. What face is that? What? Oh my god, Shashwat, what's up? Anyway, इसको बंद करो. तुम इधर आओ. You womp. इसका मतलब क्या है? What does womp even mean? अरे भाई side हो जाओ. So the thing is, let's go. Okay. Last जो 2 हफ्ते थे, very interesting. Very stupid feeling in programming because काम पे जो है क्या कहते हैं, like जो अभी टास्क मिला है उस पे मेरे को बैकएंड सर्विस पे कुछ करना था, जो सी हैश में लिखा है that womp is a meme. Bro, womp meme. Dude, तब से मैंने ये बैकस्पेस का रीमैप करा ना, मेरे को थोड़ा आदत लगना है. डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. ओह, किस चीज का डिसअपॉइंटमेंट भाई? ओह माय गॉड, के मतलब ओह सरकाज़म, मॉकरी. समझ गया शाश्वत, समझ गया. एनीवे, तो तुम लोग के लिए I have put on background music, but I want to listen to split keyboard when I am going to build it. I have decided. I'm going to make it. कौन सा है? Dactyl Maniform keyboard, by the way. Not the correct spelling, but ठीक है. So I'm going to make this keyboard, Dactyl Maniform, and it is pretty simple. In fact, इसके जो microcontroller है मैं वो भी लेकर आ गया हूँ, which is a Arduino Pico. Yep, ये. बट ये वाला नहीं है. हाँ, ये वाला है, ये ग्रीन वाला. ऑल्दो ये रास्पबेरी पाई का सिंबल की दिखा रहा है. एनीवे, इट इज लाइक होगा कहीं इसमें एक्चुअली. हाँ ऐसा है टाइप. बहुत पतला है एक्चुअली, इतना भी नहीं, बट लाइक इट्स अ बिट थिन. तो दैट्स गोना बी माय माइक्रो कंट्रोलर. इट्स गोना गो हियर. मैं अपना सोल्डरिंग आयरन लेकर आ गया हूँ. व्हाट अबाउट द कीज एंड केस? आई विल ऑर्डर इट. यू कैन गेट दोस थिंग्स. तो उसको खरीदूंगा. 3D केस का 3D प्रिंट करूंगा. वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स हैज 3D प्रिंटर, सो आई विल जेनरसली आस्क हिम कि बॉस, यू नो, जस्ट कैन यू प्रिंट अ केस फॉर मी, यू नो. बाकी की कैप्स में ऑर्डर करूंगा. क्योंकि और 3D प्रिंटर इसलिए भी पॉसिबल है क्योंकि इसका जो 3D इंस्टॉल ओपन प्राइस, अगर मैं अपने सारे टूल्स हटा दूं, सोल्डरिंग आयरन वगैरह, तो 10,000 में हो जाना चाहिए. That's what I'm guessing. 10,000 में हो जाना. Hopefully मैं सब सही करूँ. Like मैं कुछ वायरिंग वगैरह मैस अप नहीं करूँ उसमें, you know, कुछ पैसे वेस्ट ना जाए. 3D प्रिंट का सही निकले. वरना अगर सब कुछ मिला के अगर करना होगा तो थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव होगा, लाइक 20,000 तक, मे बी 15-20,000. बट अगर 3D प्रिंटिंग का अपना दोस्त मेरा मान गया. ओह, किस चीज़ का प्राइस? कंपोनेंट वाइज प्राइसिंग. केस तो फ्री होगा ना, क्योंकि मेनली जो मटेरियल के लिए पे करना होगा वो 3D प्रिंटर के लिए है. और 3D प्रिंटर के लिए माय फ्रेंड हैज 3D प्रिंटर. अगर कुछ उसका मटेरियल का कॉस्ट होगा तो उसका वो मुझे बता देगा कि कितना कॉस्ट है. लेट्स नॉट कंसिडर योर फ्रेंड. अच्छा, तो जाके 3D, जीरो आइडिया, फिर मेरे को नहीं पता. बट ओवरऑल तेरा 10K अगर होगा तो आई थिंक 3-4 हजार, 20,000 का कीबोर्ड. डूड, अ नॉर्मल कमर्शियल स्प्लिट कीबोर्ड इज लाइक 35-40,000 मिनिमम. अ गुड वन मिनिमम. तो कंपेयर टू दैट 20,000 वन जो खुद की मेहनत से बनाई है, यू नो, स्विचेस एंड कैप्स, जीरो आइडिया. डूड, आई क्या कहते हैं, की कैप्स, कैम्प्स, keycap split keyboard. Saw 5,299 keycaps for split keyboard. You will want to look for an ortholinear keycaps, and they're all 1 mu keycaps. Okay. हाँ 100 200 300 1500. इंटरेस्टिंग. चलो 1000 भी मान लो, काफी एक्सपेंसिव है यार ये तो. वाह. अली एक्सप्रेस और अलीबाबा. ओ लूकस जो है, why did Google want to know my location? But okay. Keycaps. Not bad. 1000 2000. थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव तो है बट क्रेजी. एक्सपेंसिव भी. स्प्लिट कीबोर्ड की-कैप्स. स्प्लिट कीबोर्ड की. वैसे तो की कैप्स कुछ डिफरेंट होते नहीं है बट ये तो कीबोर्ड दिखा रहा है. बैकलिट की कैप. बैकलिट वगैरह नहीं चाहिए. जस्ट वांट लाइक अ नॉर्मल की कैप. हाँ. ओ माय गॉड शाश्वत, तेरे को ऐसे की कैप्स चाहिए है. गिफ्ट फ्रॉम मी. की कैप्स की क्या? Key switches. Maybe ask the guy who built his. हाँ उससे मैंने 10,000 उससे पूछा है मैंने. I don't know, कहीं पे तो होगा. जो ट्विटर पे निर्मित करके है ना बंदा, उसी से मैंने पूछा तो उसने मेरे को बताया. निर्मित इधर ही है. I didn't change any tenting angle on Dactyl. If you want to go with some other flat keyboard like Corner Lily, you can add support for tenting. 3D printing cost me around 3K, which was the most expensive. You would also require soldering stuff and all. ठीक है. It's great if you are a normal. हाँ तो हमारा 3D printing 3000 के लिए आया है. Keycaps I think ये 1000 वगैरह जो है वो है. तो yeah, not bad. ब्रदर तुम्हारा 3D प्रिंटिंग इज 3000. तो तुम जब 3D प्रिंट कराते हो, तुम एक फाइल दे के कहते हो कि भाई इसको 3D प्रिंट कराओ, तो तुम्हारा वो 3000 हो गया. की कैप्स वही मैं कह रहा हूँ 1000 कुछ हो सकता है. सो एंड प्लस आई डोंट नो, मैं अभी इसमें गया नहीं हूँ. लाइक जब मैं बनाऊंगा प्रॉपर आई थिंक सितंबर में स्टार्ट करूंगा या अक्टूबर में, तब जाके आई विल गेट इनटू दिस. वरना अभी मैं बस देख रहा हूँ बनाते कैसे. पीसीबी तुम्हारा कैसे होगा, वायरिंग वगैरह का कैसे होगा, all that stuff. Anyway, I know it is okay to not know everything, Shashwat. Anyway, oh god. Yes, what's up Lord? Oh by the way, जो prototypes है हम उसमें why are you procrastination? Bro, procrastination, did you just call it procrastination? ये सारे मैं procrastinate भी कर रहा हूँ. Look at this stuff. मेरे को आज ये खत्म करना है. मेरे को बैकएंड में अब बेटर बनना है. कुछ लाइक ऑडियो प्रोसेसिंग का करना था, वो हमने कर लिया. वो लाइक एटलीस्ट मेरे को जो करना था मैंने वो कर लिया. अब मेरा मेन फोकस बैकएंड पे है. ये जो कीबोर्ड वगैरह बनाना है दैट्स लाइक पार्ट टाइम. वो जब एकदम फ्री होऊंगा तब बनाऊंगा. बाकी फ्री टाइम में मेरे को वापस प्रोग्रामिंग पे आना है. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, लाइक क्रेजी डूड. एनीवे, तो ये लास्ट वीक और लास्ट 2 हफ्ते लिटिल बिट फेल्ट स्टूपिड इन प्रोग्रामिंग, बट I learned a lot. So pretty nice, you know. Yeah, not gonna make it, brother. I literally am gonna make it. You cannot stop. Anyway, तो आज मेरे को ये ट्राई करना है Redis streaming के साथ, जिसके लिए I was asking Claude, by the way, कि क्या कर सकता है इसमें. But ठीक है, this all is useless. मेरे को बेसिकली पब सब के साथ ज़्यादा करना था, तो उसने बताया कि Redis streaming good start, ये सब वो सब. You can literally, हाँ प्रोग्रामिंग है ब्रदर, बट इज इट बैकएंड रिलेटेड इज द क्वेश्चन. मेरे को अभी नेक्स्ट ईयर एंड तक बैकएंड पे फोकस करना है, जिसके लिए ये सारी चीज़ है. अबे कहाँ गया ब्रदर? प्रोटोटाइप्स, ये करना है, ये करना है. इनफैक्ट जो मेरे को अभी काम मिला है, जो टास्क मिला है काम पे, वो जो सर्विस पे है, वो पबसब है. तो उसमें उसका इनफैक्ट काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग आर्किटेक्चर माइट आई शो, वेयर डू आई शो, वाह, ओके। तो बेसिकली तुम्हारा एक सर्विस बस है, ठीक है, वो वाई डॉटेड ना, एक तुम्हारा सर्विस बस है, ठीक है, एक्चुअली सर्विस बस एक्सप्लोरर, बट ओके। वो 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 ओ मैंने एस्केप प्रेस कर दिया, लॉल। एक्सप्लोरर, डैम, एक्सप्लोरर, ठीक है। फिर ये तुम्हारा एक्चुअल सर्विस है, ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा बड़ा करते हैं बिकॉज एक्चुअली इसके अंदर चीज है, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन। तो माय गॉड, तुम्हारा ये है एक तुम्हारा सर्विस है बेसिकली ये, ठीक है। माय गॉड, मैं थोड़ा यूज्ड टू होना पड़ेगा यार ये बैक एंड मैपिंग के, बैक स्पेस मैपिंग, ठीक है। सर्विस में तुम्हारे, माय गॉड, वाओ, डैम, आई हैव फॉरगॉटन हाउ टू टाइप। मैसेज प्रोसेसर, तुम्हारा फिर पब्लिशर और तुम्हारे सब्सक्राइबर्स है, ठीक है। वैसे तो टेक्निकली ये है, बट हाँ, तो तुम्हारा सर्विस बस एक्सप्लोरर भेजता है एक मैसेज तुम्हारे सर्विस को, रादर तुम्हारा सर्विस पिकअप करता है वो मैसेज तुम्हारे एक्सप्लोरर से। वी विल कॉल दिस एज मैसेज बाय द वे, ठीक है। नाउ यू मे आस्क व्हाट इज अ मैसेज। वेल, लेट मी एनलाइटन यू, चैट। तुम्हारा जो पबसब होता है, ठीक है, उसमें तुम्हारा, मैं बस ड्रॉ करूंगा, एक तो पब्लिशर होता है, एक तो तुम्हारा सब्सक्राइबर होता है, बट ये दोनों एक दूसरे से बात कैसे करते हैं? ये बात करते हैं मैसेजेस के थ्रू, बट मैसेजेस थोड़े रैंडम होते हैं, राइट? लाइक अगर तुम सिर्फ मैसेज भेज रहे हो तो हाउ इज इट डिफरेंट देन लाइक तुम्हारा HTTP वर्सेस तुम्हारा वेब सॉकेट वर्सेस तुम्हारा जो भी है। ऑल्दो तुम्हारे पबसब जो है वो आई थिंक अंडरनीथ द हुड कुछ तो आई थिंक HTTP या कुछ यूज कर, आई एम नॉट श्योर, तो वी चेक ऑन दैट। बट हाँ, बेसिकली तो ये मैसेज पब्लिशर सब्सक्राइबर जो एक दूसरे के साथ चलता रहता है, ये तुम्हारा आता है टॉपिक के अंदर। टॉपिक बेसिकली बकेट मान लो, ठीक है। तुम्हारे बकेट में जो भी तुम्हारे सब्सक्राइबर्स है, मान लो तुम्हारे 3 सब्सक्राइबर्स है, ठीक है। तो ये तुम्हारे 3 सब्सक्राइबर्स जब इस टॉपिक से सब्सक्राइब करते हैं तो एक सब्सक्रिप्शन क्रिएट करता है, ठीक है। तो इसके अंदर तुम्हारे ऐसे 3 सब्सक्रिप्शन, क्या आ गया, हाँ, तुम्हारे अंदर से 3 सब्सक्रिप्शन क्रिएट हो जाते हैं। तो ये जो पब्लिशर है, ये उस टॉपिक को मैसेज भेजेगा, वो मैसेज फिर रेप्लिकेट होगा तुम्हारे 3 सब्सक्रिप्शंस के क्या कहते हैं, लाइक इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं, द मैसेज विल बी रेप्लिकेटेड अमंगस्ट योर 3 टॉपिक्स, सॉरी सब्सक्रिप्शंस इन दैट टॉपिक, एंड देन उधर से फिर उस 3 जो तुम्हारे सब्सक्रिप्शंस है, उस पर्टिकुलर सब्सक्राइबर को वो मैसेज भेजेगा। एंड वो जो मैसेज भेज रहा है वो क्लोन है तुम्हारे ओरिजिनल मैसेज का, इट इज नॉट योर एक्चुअल मैसेज। एक फीचर है पबसब का अपेरेंटली। तो वो नो, नॉट द होल कैनवस, आई जस्ट वांटेड बैकस्पेस, इन्होंने कैंसिल कर दिया क्या? फंक्शन, ओह शिट, सारा चला गया क्या? ओह माय गॉड, मेरे पास डिलीट है इधर। कंट्रोल डिलीट अगर मैं करूं, हाँ, इंटरेस्टिंग। एनीवे, तो द वे ये काम करता है, तुम्हारा मैसेज यहाँ पे आता है, फिर तुम्हारा मैसेज मैसेज को प्रोसेस करता है, फिर उसको भेजता है तुम्हारे पब्लिशर को, और फिर पब्लिशर से तुम्हारे एक्चुअल सब्सक्राइबर्स को भेजता है कि भाई डू योर थिंग। तो ये भी स्ट्रीम में करेंगे, नॉट ये पर्टिकुलर चीज, बट पबसब का स्ट्रीम में करेंगे। एक मैं सोच रहा हूँ, एक अलर्ट्स, लाइक जो आइडिया मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि एटलीस्ट प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए, कि तुम्हारा एक मैं पब्लिशर लिखूंगा, ठीक है, और तुम्हारे सब्सक्राइबर्स में बहुत सिंपल सा होगा, एक तुम्हारा होगा फाइल राइटिंग के लिए, एक तुम्हारा होगा अलर्ट्स के लिए, या नोटिफ्स जो आते हैं तुम्हारा, क्या नोटिफाई सेंड, लॉल, ये जो आता है इसका एक करेंगे, और फिर करेंगे, और क्या कर सकते हैं, आई डोंट नो वेबसाइट बेसिकली जो मैसेज तुम्हें मिल रहा है उसको मैं एक वेबसाइट डैशबोर्ड पे दिखा दूंगा. सो समथिंग लाइक दैट टू जस्ट गेट द आइडिया ऑफ पब सम्स. चैट आर यू विथ मी कि सब चले गए. एनीवे तो आज के लिए क्या करना है इज आई वांट टू ट्राई टू मेक दिस थिंग रियल टाइम एक्टिविटी मॉनिटर विद रेडिस स्ट्रीमिंग. जो मैं चीजें सेटअप कर रहा था इसके लिए गिट इग्नोर मार देते हैं. नोड मॉड्यूल्स. ऑल्सो बाय द वे नियोबिम में पता नहीं मेरा क्यों नहीं चल रहा कैप्स लॉक सॉरी बैकस्पेस बट आई डोंट माइंड इट. तो एक्चुअली लाइक थोड़ा नियोबिम में करना. So that's why Shashwat, I know it is programming, but there are different types of programming. You know what I mean? इसके बाद मेरे को एक ओपन सोर्स का थोड़ा एक चीज सिंप्लीफाई करनी है, which I am a bit like मैं उसको थोड़ा complex बना रहा हूँ than it requires to be. Like I'm making it more complex than it requires to be, I think. So I will sort that out later off stream. So lot has been going on, dude. बोलो बोलो. मैंने देखा वो डॉग्स वाली चीज ना आज की आर्ट का. आई रिमेम्बर ब्रदर. आई वाज लाइक डैम ड्यूड क्रेजी. ओके तो इनफैक्ट आई वुड लाइक मैं बोलना भूल गया ब्रो. फंक्शन डिलीट. अभी हम क्या करने वाले हैं हाँ मेरा एक वेबसाइट डैशबोर्ड होगा. ठीक है ये मेरा है मॉनिटर डैशबोर्ड. ठीक है ये मॉनिटर डैशबोर्ड मेरा कनेक्ट होगा एक ओ माय गॉड क्या मैं एम आई बिकमिंग अ सिस्टम्स इंजीनियर. क्या बोलते हैं इसको लो लेवल डिजाइन हाई लेवल डिजाइन यू नो रेडिस स्ट्रीम रेडिस. ठीक है हाँ अरे भाई तो मेरे को कैप्स लॉक की आदत हटानी होगी. धीरे धीरे होगा. रेडिस भाई रेडिस ओ माय गॉड रेडिस भाई एस्केप ओ माय गॉड. ओके तो ये मेरा मॉनिटर डैशबोर्ड कनेक्ट होगा रेडिस से स्ट्रीमिंग के थ्रू. एंड जो मेरा रेडिस है बाय द वे इट विल कनेक्ट टू अ बैकएंड जहाँ पे मैं भेजूंगा HTTP रिक्वेस्ट. ठीक है एंड मैंने यहाँ पे रिक्वेस्ट भेजा. ये रिक्वेस्ट मेरा डिपॉजिट करेगा जो भी रेडिस को और फिर मेरा जो रेडिस स्ट्रीम है वो मेरा कम्युनिकेट करेगा मॉनिटर डैशबोर्ड से कि जैसे ही मैं रिक्वेस्ट भेजूँ तो मेरे डैशबोर्ड पे आ जाए कि वो रिक्वेस्ट आया है. वेरी सिंपल यू नो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट ड्यूड. ऑल्सो मैंने गिट इग्नोर उधर क्यों डाला है. मूव गिट इग्नोर टैब नाइस. ओके तो बेसिकली व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग कि तुम्हारा रेडिस तो मैं करूंगा डॉकर के साथ डॉकर मेंशन क्या कहते हैं डॉकर मेंशन. ठीक है रेडिस का तो मैं डॉकर के साथ करूंगा जो चीज करने के लिए. बट आई विल कनेक्ट टू रेडिस थ्रू तुम्हारा नोड का जो रेडिस का क्लाइंट है. तो मेरे बैकएंड पे इनफैक्ट ये करते हैं. आई वाज सेटिंग अप थिंग्स इज व्हाट आई रिमेंबर. अब इसमें टेक्निकली वी कैन ओ बाय द वे मिहिर माय गोच मिहिर उसने कुछ बोला था कि चेकआउट करने को. लेट मी चेक व्हाट डिड माय गोच से. HaxMap. I don't know what HaxMap is. So what is HaxMap? Oh, Golang में. Fastest and most memory efficient Golang concurrent hash map. Interesting. So what is so special about it? आई मीन कंकरेंट मैशअप थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, लाइक कंकरेंट किस सेंस में? The hashing algorithm used was XX hash, and the hash maps buckets were implemented using Harris log free list. What is it? What concurrent है तो क्या मतलब डिफरेंट सोर्सेज मेरे मैप को लिख सकते हैं लॉक एंड अनलॉक के साथ? Am I getting that right? हम्म आई थिंक भाई कि तुम बेसिकली कंकरेंट कर सकते हो उसको. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, नॉट लाई. इंटरेस्टिंग. कभी यूज करेंगे इसको जब गो का कर रहा हूँ. मैं गो का एक चीज बना रहा हूँ, बट वो देखते कैसे होता है. जो मैं तुम्हारा नियोफेच का टाइप कुछ कर रहा था एंड मतलब किसी और चीज़ के लिए, तो उसमें जो आस्की वाला पार्ट है मेरा वो अच्छी तरह रेंडर नहीं हो रहा था. फिर थोड़ा प्ले अराउंड करा तो काफ़ी अच्छा रेंडर हो गया, बट मतलब मेरे को अपना टर्मिनल का साइज इतना मैक्स करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, तो अगर उसको इतना तो नहीं करूँगा, तो मैंने देखा नियोफेच कैसे करता है. तो टर्न्स आउट नियोफेच एक बैश स्क्रिप्ट है एंड उसमें तुम्हारे जो वो बेसिकली चेक करे कि तुम्हारा जो इमेज बैकएंड्स है वो मल्टीपल इमेज बैकएंड्स है. तो तुम्हारा बेसिकली क्या कहते हैं किटी ग्राफिक्स क्या कहता है प्रोटोकॉल, टर्मिनल ग्राफिक्स प्रोटोकॉल. तो तुम्हारा अगर किटी टर्मिनल है तो वो ये वाला प्रोटोकॉल इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है. 6L करके तुम्हारा एक है, 6 पिक्सल करके. फिर तुम्हारा और भी चीज़ है वो चेक करते तुम्हारे पास अगर स्पेसिफिक CLI टूल्स है, JP2A, इमेज टू आस्की, ये सारी चीज़ अगर है तो अकॉर्डिंगली तुम्हारे सिस्टम या टर्मिनल जिसपे तुम एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हो फेच वो उस पर्टिकुलर इमेज रेंडर या इमेज बैकएंड को यूज करता है. सो आई वाज लाइक, और एक बैश स्क्रिप्ट है ब्रो, आई वाज लाइक क्रेजी. इनफैक्ट मेरे को आस्की कैरेक्टर खुद का भी एक करना है, मेरे को समझना है कैसे करना है. तो आई लाइक दिस प्रोटोकॉल इज दैट इंटरेस्टिंग. इनफैक्ट नियोविम मेंशन था कहीं पे यहाँ पे, जो यश ने आज बोला था ना कि हाँ, जो यश ने बोला था कि लाइक इमेज में वो लाइक रैंडम कैरेक्टर्स दिखा रहा है. तो व्यू इमेजेस इनसाइड ऑफ नियोविम में तुम बेसिकली यही कर रहे हो कि तुम उस ग्राफिक्स प्रोटोकॉल को इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हो इन नियोविम. सो रेंडर लोकल इमेजेस मार्कडाउन है क्या? ना मार्कडाउन है. सो या प्रीटी इंटरेस्टिंग, प्रीटी इंटरेस्टिंग. एनीवे, तो इस पे स्टार्ट करते हैं. सबसे पहले मैं सोच रहा टाइपस्क्रिप्ट में करूँ नहीं करूँ, उसमें टाइम वेस्ट करे नहीं करे, इट्स फाइन, इट्स नॉट. बैकएंड में करते हैं सबसे पहले. डिड आई इंस्टॉल एक्सप्रेस? आई डिड इंस्टॉल एक्सप्रेस. TypeScript, not TypeScript. Man, it is fine. We have to focus on. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, Shobit. It's fine. It's fine if you don't write TypeScript all the time. JS docs, main.js, server.js. ठीक है. गॉड, मैं इतने टाइम से मैंने जावास्क्रिप्ट में लिखे, मैं भूल गया भाई. एक्सप्रेस, import express from express. Nice. ठीक है ब्रो. तो मैं तो एक चीज भूल ही गया. Oh, I can do that. Okay, ठीक है. App dot listen. Okay, maybe मैं इतना नहीं भूला हूँ. तुम्हारा पोर्ट यहाँ पे 3000 करते हैं. एकदम जस्ट सेटअप कर रहा हूँ मैं. console dot log. Wow. क्या कहता है? Server is running on port. भाई मैं इसको यूज तो होना पड़ेगा एकदम जो की कैप का है पोर्ट packages and scripts npm run start node source main dot server.js I think server.js npm run start. Whoa, what is the issue? To eliminate is not specified, doesn't come as pass type. Okay, I will do that. Type module. Let's go. It is not console logging. Have I done something wrong? What? मैं basic ये JavaScript भूल गया क्या? Wow. Can't believe I'm doing this. Express run app. I think. Oh man, so stupid, bro. Clearly, मैं ज़्यादा time C hash के साथ spend कर रहा हूँ. By the way, can't believe that's what happens. I feel stupid. I told you, dude, it's just not the best week to feel smart. There we go. Damn, I gotta keep in touch with JavaScript, man. This ain't good. चलो anyway, server run हो गया. I need now little bit. Man, let's just do routes. Okay. Test or JS. For Express from Express. I think Express router for Express dot router. Yeah. Yeah, I remember stuff. Router dot get request के साथ start करते हैं. ठीक है, तुम्हारे slash इस पे तुम्हारा test JS है ना? Sport router.use /test तुम्हारा test तुम्हारा test router right अब test router कहाँ से आएगा import test router from test. Let's go. Support router. या तुम्हारा हो जाता है ना कंट्रोलर. Get test. Simple naming. ठीक है. And तुम्हारा routes हो गया. Controllers. Test.js. Export const get test request response console dot got him. Press dot send. Oh, लेकिन request test कहाँ से आ रहा है? Good question. Export const. Yes. Request dot. इसमें ये नहीं आता क्या? I don't know. Rest dot send. Hi. हैं? ये तो करते थे. Yeah, I remember stuff. Bro, Shashwat, what did you made in new then? कंट्रीब्यूशन की बात कर रहा है. हाँ. Actually, got a quest got method. I think. Uh-huh. Yep. 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 So what I need to do is increment start, and I just remembered कि मैं tmux नहीं चला रहा हूँ. What is wrong with me, guys? किसी ने कुछ बताया भी नहीं. क्या कर रहे हो? Come on, guys. Apps backend increment start. इस पे जाओ curl localhost 3000/test. I cannot get test because I'm an idiot. That is why. यहाँ पे कौन import करेगा? Sir, I am sorry, sir. apps.use/router root root route sure, why not? Import root router from routes index नाम दिया था ना. Whoa, what the hell happened? Is not supported. Oh god, ये वापस वही types वाली चीज है क्या? Is not supported resolving ES modules. Bro, ये basics जब तुम C hash करते हो तो भूल जाते हो ना. I do not like it. I really do not like it. What am I forgetting? Bro. What? Hold up. What? अब क्या कर दिया मैंने? How am I forgetting basic stuffs? Install and use Sorry, what? Why do I need to import install TSX? Brother. Huh? Bruh. 22 is fine. Type module should come before. I highly doubt ये है. Type module should come before main. I highly doubt वो है. I highly doubt वो है. Yeah, I don't think वो था. What is this? You cannot find module route/test. Oh. I think वो पूरा explicit mention करना पड़ेगा. Sorry, not here. Test/index. और नहीं test JS ही तो था. क्या तुम्हें पूरा नाम देना पड़ेगा? I don't think पूरा नाम देना पड़ेगा. Controllers test.js. I highly doubt this is the issue, but let's try it. Oh, okay. Does not. Oh, my bad. I think I should not have named it like that. Test router. Test router. Test router. Anything else? N1 start. Root router. My god, I'm sorry. I didn't know it was that big of an issue. I have clearly not done this in a while. Root router. Whoa, boss. You gotta not do that. Root router. Root router. Boom. Let's go. मेरे को JavaScript आता है, by the way, guys. Thank you. I still remember JavaScript. Let's go. Done. So this is working. Oh. Got him. I just changed the script so that kind of stuff won't happen in the. Whoa. तुम लोग बातें कर रहे हो? क्या चल रहा है? It was a simple docs issue. Bro, I thought you did some cool code change, but I didn't go to the normal route of just fixing the docs. The thing was actually getting recognized as linked, so the cancel function was removing the formatting of it. Mainly for Rust and Go. I changed the script so that kind of stuff won't happen in the future. As this true line change, there were actually 2 3 ways to solve the issue. Ruben, oh my god, what's up? What's up? We are writing JavaScript. If you want pain, by the way. Sorry, no Go or C today. Just pure and raw JavaScript. By the way, it's me क्यों कर रहा हूँ? I just realized I can just run the backend here, not there. Backend apps, backend npm run start. By the way, oh, I should add nodemon. I should add nodemon. I did change the script. Was converting stuff by the way. It was converting stuff by the way. I'm here for you. Got it. Oh my god, Ruben, that's so sweet, dude. Anyway, I'm gonna install. Oh my god! Whoa! Development dependency. Yep, my bad. My bad. You know, I miss the days where we went with capital D. I just miss the days where we went with capital D. It still does the job, you know. Anyway, nodemon. npm run start. Let's go. I do remember Express. Oh, by the way, this is what we're making, Ruben. I want to prototype with a real-time activity monitor where basically I can monitor HTTP requests that come in on a web dashboard, like on a site. And I want to do it through Redis streams. So a little bit just backend stuff that I want to try out. Anyway, so that's that. Come here, apps, front end. Oh, Shashwat, are you ready? I am not going to use any framework for UI. ठीक है? Raw, white or wheat, whatever. तुम्हारा plain wheat app. Getting started. Where is तुम्हारा? Yeah, where is npm create white at latest? Yep. Yes, sir. Project name. No. Project name. Current directory is not empty. What is in the correct directory? Oh, rm package. What? Select a framework. Oh, vanilla. TypeScript variant or JavaScript. Front end pe. Let's do TypeScript. Let's go npm I. Oh my god. We're not going to framework on front end. Let's go. npm run dev. Let's go. 5173. Let's go. And the code for this, by the way, is very interesting because you have a main.ts where you're basically just getting that element app in HTML. By the way, HTML. Where is the HTML? Yeah, you're getting this div, and then you're literally. What is your issue? Oh, my bad. Anyway, you're getting this div, right? And then you're basically saying, hey, this is the inner HTML now. Yeah. So we're not going to do any of that. In fact, I'm going to start making Daisy UI, by the way. I love Daisy UI. What? I keep forgetting Mera key. My god, dude, I need to get used to this and type better because this remap is a bit frustrating. I will be right back. Take your time, dude. Take your time. Components, or do we even have components? Let's do core. I like core. Right, front end. Are we in front end? Let's go. npm Daisy UI. Let's go. What I'm going? Yeah, I do want components actually. Do I want components? Let's do components. It's fine. Let's do components. Core. I'm going to have a state. You know what I mean? Export class state. And why am I exporting class actually? I want it to be a singleton. I want one UI state or UI state. Uh, let's call it state. Okay. Const state is equal to new state. Also, this should extend something, by the way. I think this should extend like event target, right? By the way, you can have like, I will show you later, but export default object dot freeze, because I don't want anybody manipulating stuff over here. Just state, bro. Freeze re. Right, this is going to be one. Sockets is going to be one. Socket.ts. Right, export class sockets. Actually, we don't even need export. We can just like have one for now. Const ws is equal to new socket. Default ws. Right, over here I can have like a connect. Right, just kind of like doing things on random, setting things up. So like, don't mind me right now. Disconnect constructors, quanta constructor. I don't know, let's think about it. Let's think about it. This is just setting things up so I know what to do. We want a types for HTTP, like our state, the type that is there. HTTP.ts export class, export type request. Actually, HTTP request is equal to method with a string. State. Yeah, I want a private HTTP request, which should be HTTP request. Yeah, very good. Oh, no. I want to show a dashboard of them, right? So let's go. Yeah. So when state changes, I will do a yeah, okay, we'll figure that out. So this is done in that sense. Sure. Is it saying ki like it's not declared but its value is never read? Sure. HTTP request empty array initially. What's your issue? Constructor did I? Oh, my bad. Yeah. Okay, what's up? Set Pokemon background. Oh, dude, I completely forgot. Also, hi Shabam, what's up? 5 people watching, bro. Crazy. Yeah, let me actually do that. I am not a psychopath. Thank you very much, Ruben. Wait, I'll actually just good idea. Wait. I completely forgot I was there. Okay, I'll just stop screen sharing because I don't want to show the Twitters on a stream. You know what I mean? Someone told me good luck on something. Who's Soho Kim? Wannabe engineer. Interesting. Thanks, dude. I have a banger VS Code wallpaper. Show the ENV, bro. I love that. Am I screen sharing? Dear Lord. No, I'm not. I can share that if you want. A banger VS Code wallpaper. Bhej do, bro. I forgot what I even like tweeted for that. Um, Dude, also Twitter sorry, X.com, the everything app algorithm has been treating my tweets a bit nice. It's not hidden. I can see it's hidden, dude. Like, you know, um, where did I put the wallpaper thing? Yep, got it. Will it today, bro? Acha, okay, okay, okay. Pokemon wallpaper now. Where is it? Ah, there you go. Uh, Save image as desktop. Pokemon. I completely forgot I could do that, dude. Thank you for a reminder. Okay. Where is StreamYard? Don't remove me. Solo layout. How do I? Also, I'm planning to stream for a bit. So, like, I'm here. Like, I want to actually get coffee things done with this. How do I change my thing? Edit mic settings, edit avatar. I don't want to edit avatar. Solo layout. Oh, that's not what I want. Go back, go back, go back. I miss my thing. Idhar tha na? Yeah. I actually checked out the stream very first time. It's fun. Oh my god, thank you, Shiva. Thank you, dude. Dude, I forgot how to. Huh? Professional streamer, by the way. No, display name is fine. How do I? What? Dude, oh my god. So I can code better than this. And so I should VS Code, bro. What? This has nothing to do with VS Code. I am a Neowim boy. How do? Why is this so confusing? Oh, disable camera. Don't want that. What is the download thing? 480p. You guys cannot see me in good quality. Dude, I am sure like VS Code. Are you trying to rage bait me, Ruben? Is that what's going on? I can also give you rage baits. You know. Also, you don't even use VS Code to write C. What are you talking about? Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. Okay, I don't think that worked. How do I edit mic settings? That's not a good idea. Ruben, you don't know something about show. Do you want me to tell you? Dude, I don't know a lot of things about myself. Deep insights. Oh, this is fun. Can I do that? What? Default camera. What? Rounded corners? Okay, I'm getting distracted by this. I don't like it. His bash RC has alias code is equal to nvim. Sure, I will believe that. Dude, how is this so hard? That's what she said. Dude, solo layout, edit mic settings, remove from stage. Dude, what? How to change background, video background in StreamYard. What is wrong with ZSH? You guys just hate for no reason, bro. What? Which part? Listen, you guys hate for absolutely zero reason. Okay, Neowim is great. ZSH is great. Okay. Rick, rage baiting me. You. Oh, it is in settings. Okay. I think I found it. Where is settings? Found it. I'm an idiot. My bad. Um, Visual effects. Let's go. Let's go. How do I upload a new picture? Let's go. Desktop, Pokemon, save background. Oh, it's ulta. How do I flip? Let's go. First try by the way. I will rage bait you to change to be dude. The best of minds have tried, and actually you are like one of the best minds. So you can try, but you know, yeah. Send your banger VS code. India, damn dude. I don't have the mustache for it, dude. Actually, I'm gonna down. Okay, it's fine. Pokemon, good background. Do we approve of the background? Do we approve of the background? Professional streamer. Okay. I think we approve of the background. I approve of the background. I think it's pretty nice. By the way, I just realized I do not have my music on. So I'm gonna stop screen share for a second. Open YouTube. Why am I opening terminal, bro? What is wrong with me? YouTube.com. Hans Zimmer theme song. You know what I mean? Yeah. Dude, I've been listening to F1 ka soundtrack by Hans Zimmer, of course. Really good. Really good. So, peak background. My god, let's go. Peak. Oh my god. Ruben, thank you. Peak stream. Oh my god. Oh, dude. It's going like the F1 is F1ing. Anyway, let's drop back to programming. Only thing is missing is VS Code. I will not be rage baited. I will send you couple pictures, okay? I will send you couple pictures if you, yeah. Also, am I talking too loud? Just like, the music is very loud, so like, I might talk a bit loud. Okay. Anyway, that is done. I want like a basic setup of everything, so that's what I'm doing right now. That is done. I have my socket. Okay. Then I will later do that. What am I? और क्या चाहिए? Stream. This is the backend which will communicate. Yeah. So what I'm thinking is that okay, this is the backend where I'll get the requests. This is my stream backend where this will connect to the front end, right? And this is what will also spin up the Redis instance. So I should probably go to the stream, apps stream, npm init y, npm install express, and Redis. Yapper, master yapper, primes yapper, yapper. By the way, Daisy UI, love it. Use virtual backgrounds. Oh yeah, Claude and all, right? I don't think we need Claude for this, so it's okay. Dude, also I realized like I asked Claude, so dude, that is like loud. I need to like, wow. Dude, so the thing is, I realized like I ask Claude a lot of things because when I program new things, I program like a lot of things I don't know. So when you don't know a lot of things, you Google it, but I just use Claude instead of Google. So that's why I use Claude. But like, I think we can do this without Claude because I think I somewhat know JavaScript. 74 packages is insane, bro. Source server.js import express from express. Also, I'm going to write very bad code. I just want to get the thing to work. You know, I'm not going to be like setup config, init config and all that thing. I want to make it work. Then if we want, we'll refactor. This is supposed to be a prototype. Const app is equal to express. Whoa. Right, app.listen. Okay, so that port is on 3000. This port can be on 3001. Right, so port, by the way, console.log. Server is listening on port yeah. Also nodemon, I need nodemon. Let's go. Okay, so here's the thing. I should technically let's not be stupid. Node source server.js. Let's do dev with nodemon. Let's at least do that right. You know what I mean? So at least it's like npm run dev. You know what I mean? Oh, type module, right? My bad. Type module. Let's go. I should do the same thing here, where this should be node. I'm gonna copy you. I'm gonna come here. There. Nodemon. Let's go. npm run dev. Let's go. Okay. We have set up that. We want to be here. Okay. So I want to work with web sockets here. High time bro switches to bun. I will agree to that. Dude, I've not spent a lot of time with bun. So Bunty. Bun. Thank you very much. It's been a while since I've like used bun. I do have it. I think I have it. Bun version. I don't have bun. That's crazy, dude. I should install it. Damn. I thought I had bun. Crazy. Dude, you know what's cool with bun? So I don't know if you've heard of Lydia Haley, but she makes like very nice JavaScript videos with like visual graphics and all. So apparently she joined Bun, and I think she was at Vercel. I'm not sure, but she joined Bun, and now apparently, like she shared some post where basically you can use Bun APIs in Next.js with like, and Bun by the way has insane APIs where you can use SQL, you can use S3, like basically all your object stores that are there. Bun has like an inbuilt API for it. I learned Zig because oh dude, I love the fact that Bun is using Zig. I have zero idea about Zig, but oh my god, by the way, Bun is used by these guys. Mid-Journey, Tailwind. Damn. Crazy. Bun is Bun here. Guys, it's Bun here. Let's go. Anyway. Okay. So now what do I need to do? I need to run my Redis thing, which should be in Docker Compose. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot how to write Docker Compose files. Is it services? What is it? It's not how Compose works. Quick start, how to's, specify project name. I just need like a demo file. I want to remember how I wrote it. Service profiles. Yeah, there you go. Services. I was right. I had remembered. I forgot. But how do you put up Redis? Front end. Just call it Redis. Image front end. Oh yeah, image. Docker. Redis. But is the Qt of web? Interesting. I don't know that. Oh, Qt the framework, no? UI framework for C. I don't have much idea about all that. How to set up Redis in Docker Compose. Setting up Redis with a web app. Let's go. Yeah. Version 3. My bad. Dude, so the thing is, I've read Docker's specification, at least parts of it. Image Redis latest. Yeah, latest. I think port is like, I don't know if it's port, but it's like 6370. There is no port mentioned. Damn. Oh, ports. Qt, the UI framework for C. Is it not? Is it not? Oh, it's okay. It is Shashwat. Zero reason for hate. Damn, dude. Offended. Offended. You know what I mean? Ouch. Oh, 679. Okay, so there you go. Local host. To fix the networking issue to avoid this, you can use this. Huh. Qt, PyQt, Qt2. Now there's an dude. Qt is the original Qt. PyQt is based from like C++ ka Qt. Is what I think, at least, because like C came first though. So, is this good enough? Come on, Redis server. Was it Redis server? I'm pretty sure they're right, but I'm not going to use that. How to use the Redis official Docker image. Let's go. Python binding for Qt made by another company. PySide is real Python binding made by Qt themselves. Oh, interesting. I had no idea. How to run Redis in Docker. I do not want to run Redis in, I want to use a Docker compose, dude. Also, I will make chai, not right now, but like in a while. So, run Redis open source on Docker, create Redis cluster with how I use Redis project for new projects with Docker Compose. Let's go. Yeah, there is a post. I knew it. 6379. I'm just going to use the 6379 one. 6379. 6379. What else do I need? Restart always. Good idea. So this is the service that shouldn't go down because this is like what's sending stuff to each other. I do think we should have an health check. What was it? Command. Command. Is it command? Do I need that? Volume. I don't think we need a volume. Entry point Redis server. Dude, this is like a Redis server. I just want a normal Redis password. Huh? Thing is, I'm pretty sure they're also right. I want something very simple. Yeah. Docker docs, Redis samples. Sample, let's go. Redis database. Yeah, let's go. Redis labs. Why are we using Redis labs? I don't want to use Redis labs. Link shorter TypeScript, that's interesting. Nest.js, dude. Can I just get a nice Redis stack? Why are there different Redis images? I don't like it. Okay, I don't like that, but virtual security checkpoint. Okay, that's great. That's great. That's great. Oh, Redis desktop? Ugh. This is pretty useful, I'm not gonna lie. Redis latest, let's go. Port 7000, let's go. 7000, that's something wrong, but okay, dude. Networks. So the thing is, Docker creates a default network, so I don't really care about like. And also, I don't have other services which I want to talk to. So it's like I'm okay with the default network. Hostname, I don't want to change that. Volumes, I don't care. Do I have a Redis server? Why are there two Redis servers? What are they trying to do? Redis Node 3. Redis server. Do I have Redis server? Is the question. Redis benchmarks server. Let's go. Okay. So when it's a Redis CLI, which is for the CLI, I don't want the CLI. Maybe we just do like health check, right? Redis config. Oh, interesting. The urge to ask Claude is intense, by the way. This is interesting. Redis CLI, boss man. I just want a simple file. There you go. That's something. Cache data. Which license to use for? Don't. अगर open source नहीं रखना तो MIT मत कर. Oh, dude. By the way, when you create a new project on GitHub, they've changed their UI. So like, oh my god, Yash, what's up? So if you go to new repository, dude, this is like a new UI. Pretty cool. The cache service will pull, it will set to restart always. Yep. So the command. Oh. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I'm gonna ask Claude. My god. Damn. I want the simplest Docker compose file which sets up a Redis instance. Just the bare minimum. I do want health check though. I like health check. Add a health check. Whoa. Oh, it's test, not. Was it command Redis CLI ping? No. Command. Okay. Redis CLI ping, and it should respond with com interval timeout retries. You're getting new and then what? Oh, interval every 30 seconds. Timeout 3 seconds. Retries 3. Good enough. Thank you, Claude. I don't want to keep this chat. Version 3.8. Redis Alpine. Ooh. Sure. That's fine. 8. Let's do 3.8. Anything else? 6379679. By default, it's a string, but okay. Okay. Thank you, Claude. See, this is what Claude is great for. Just, Docker PSA. Nice. Docker compose up. Pull in Redis. Pull in. Please make it nvim, but below it runs electrons. So show. Why are you rage baiting me, Ruben? Damn. Is it a JavaScript joke? Are you saying I can't use JavaScript stuff? Like I can only use JavaScript stuff? Rage baited. I will not fall for your rage bait meal. By the way, is it even like visible? Oh, it's not visible, but it's fine. I'm doing the thing. Where is it? Yeah. You are. Do you actually use VS Code? Like, I'm genuinely serious. Like, I thought you mentioned, whoa. Already in use. Oh. Dude, I think that this. Oh yeah. Just, I think, yeah. What? So the thing is, I think Redis is running in the background. Yeah. 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 Oh, restart Docker. What is the health status for this? Created, but is it running? Okay, Docker stop. Sorry, Docker compose down. Docker what was it? Prune all. I just want to like Docker image prune all. Yep, all of it. Oh, it's only Redis. It's fine. How do I check if it's if a port is in use? I love Electron. I love 2 GB RAM. Use this for simple app. Cleon. I see Cleon is not and Qt Creator when I get reissued. I see. How to check if a port is in use? Linux, by the way. Netstat an grep 6379, right? Dude, I don't know why I'm feeling like a bit of an allergy. I don't have netstat. CLI on? It's not Cleon? Clion? Sorry, dude. Oh yeah, LS off, right? Netstat. Stop trying to act smart and use ChatGPT. Nope. I'm going to struggle and I'm going to learn. All right. Grep 6379. Oh, there you go. Let's go. Why are there two? Sea lion. What? अरे भाई. Damn. So pseudo LSOF is the thing, no? Yeah, that's fair. Now, how do I stop it is the question. Docker stop. Docker ps. Yeah. Oh yeah, I've removed everything now. Yes, Docker. They removed everything. If Docker compose up. Oh no. But Redis is still in background. How to stop Redis running. Also, who is Scratch codes, by the way? First time. Want to run Redis? No, I don't want to run Redis. I want to stop. Kill Redis server. Start. Yes. Is it Redis? Do I have to stop Redis? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Restart. Is the wrong password. Is the wrong password again. I know my password, guys. Huh? Oh, it's not found. Oh yeah, why am I doing Redis server? Wait, I'm a bit confused. It's Redis server. What? You can just ask the question and get the answer of going through different websites? Yes, but why would you? Like, I get it, but we're not being efficient here. It's okay if we're not efficient. This is an experience, dude. It's completely fine. Too much. Interesting. Interesting. Sudo snap remove. Sudo snap stop Redis. I'm not on sudo and all. Like sorry, snap and all. Oh, kill. Yeah. Um, what was the thing? Dash 9. Yeah. Okay. Sudo kill dash 9 6379. No such process. Oh, my bad. I need the. Fair. I think it's this. Let's try. Little bit skill issue. I'm not gonna lie. What the hell? Redis? Yeah, and with not being efficient, dude, it's fine. Like, you know, I should know these problems. This should be like intuitive. So yeah. How can I don't want to run it in the background, dude. Also, if you would want to ask ChatGPT and tell me the answer, I would love that. Yeah, there you go. Can't use VS Code, dude. Same. No, there is no answer there. Either use Reddit answers or nothing. Reddit is last option. Yeah, from command line. Actually, using Redis here, oh yeah, I could just do stupid. Dude, I forget my key maps. Redis, I shut down. Custom DSL stuff. Dude, have you written like your own DSLs? Oh yeah, I guess I will do it. I don't think we face this issue now, by the way. Also, by the way, the thing with like I don't purposely want to ask Claude or GPT is because if you do want to get better at asking Claude or GPT, you need to ask the right questions. And how do you ask the right questions? By not going to Claude or GPT. DSL is domain something language. Forgot the full form. DSL language. Yeah, domain specific language, no? Yeah, domain specific language. Yep. So yeah. So for example, SQL can be a DSL. समझ रहे? Yeah, there you go. Written to deal with a specific blah 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 blah. Ruby. हाँ, so SQL or HTML is technically that. You serious right now? He's just copying pasting. AI could actually explain everything better instead of time over again. That's kind of the process. I get it. I agree with you. AI will give me the result directly, but this is helping me ask the right questions. So, and this is for this team. Usually I do ask Claude, but like, I want to like not let just like, I don't want to rely on just like AI. You know what I mean? Whoa! Let's go. Also, scratch codes. How did you get to know about this channel? Have we interacted before? That's there. Okay, Redis is up. I should connect to the Redis client now. How do you connect with the Redis client now? Import, create. I forget that I have remapped my thing from Redis. const redis is equal to create client. Think where the URL that I need to pass is redis localhost 6379, right? I hope so. Also, this async, do I need an await? What's the scene? I don't think so. Redis docs, dear, thank you. Client on error, this I can take. An await client on connect, got it. Okay, await. Oh, this I should call this client. Await client dot. My God, what am I doing, dude? I need to like get really used to my remaps. Oh no, I want to like. Shit. Yeah. This. Whoa, not this. Actually, let's do it here. Because why not? Dear Lord, I need to console log the value. Thank you very much. Console log Redis value. In fact, I will also log in the client. Whoa. Boss man. This is actually kind of cool. AR append and all that. And run dev. Whoa. Oh, okay. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, so this backend is connected to that. I'm just gonna copy this. Whoa. Is my laptop acting up? Okay, so that is done. I have connected to Redis on both the things. So let's do something. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. What is this running? This is running backend. Okay, this is running Docker. Okay. We're gonna go to the stream one here. Apps stream. This we're gonna run in dev. What is your issue? Create client is not defined. My bad. Import create client from Redis. Yep. Dev. Yeah, there you go. Great. So what I wanted to try to check that thing is we're gonna set the thing here. Yeah, this we're gonna set. Oh shit, that doesn't work that way. Right, it's gonna set here, and we're gonna log it out here. Right. So for that to happen, I need to run this and run dev. That has set the thing. So now I'm gonna run this. Let's go. Backend communication, boys. Redis things are talking to each other. Also, is chat lagging or are you guys just gone? 7 people, bro. Who are 107? That's crazy, dude. 1.5 hours. Let's go. He could help you. What? Okay. Uh, yeah. What's up, guys? I really love the background, by the way. By the way. By the way. You also want to take like a 5 minute break? Huh? Just vibe. Let's just vibe. How much time it took for you to write the NeoVim config, bro? Are you asking me or Shashwat? I think Shashwat, no? Because like I use his config. Uh-huh. What is that? Shashwat. Yeah. That's funny. Dude, I'm going to save that. Wait. I know the right person to. Wait. Yes. It's not about the time. Damn, I think it is about the time. Dude, so I saw Prime's video on configuring NeoVim. So I started off with his thing, but then I removed few things which I didn't require. Then like there are some base configs which everyone uses, and Shashwat is better at doing that. I have some things mapped to mine. So what I've also tried is I've tried to make like NeoVim plugins, at least like basic ones. So for example, so I made a plugin called RAFCE, which what it does is it gives me React snippets. So if I go here, yeah, and there's like different variations of this, but if I like give this command, it makes a React component for me. So, you know, just call me Bill. What? But it is about the time when you. Whoa. I think I have lost the ability to read properly. But it is about time when you're clicking the types. What? You know what I mean? Bro, you just call me Vela. Oh, also, Ruben. What was it? I saw a tweet where it said like that you might not know Hindi. Is that true? Vela means like free, like just you have all the time in the world in a bad way. Yeah, yeah. Damn, dude, I had no idea. So we're gonna talk in English, dude. By the way, this is happening, Ruben. You're rage baiting me with VS Code. How about you switch to NeoVim? Never. Block. I would never block you. I'm kidding. You're a little street twin, you know. Yeah. Dude, by the way, Shashwat does have great dot files. Okay, so this works, boys. Now the question is, how do I actually I think I removed it from here only. No, I didn't. Okay. Okay. So what did we do? We have our backends ready and connected to the Redis. I need to connect my my front end to the stream one, right? So, dude, there are so many tmux stuff going on. CD apps, front end. Dude, thing is, I've not worked with WebSockets too much, so like, don't judge me. Okay. I have not worked with WebSockets so much. How to connect with WebSockets in browser. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. You need like a thing, right? Writing WebSocket client application. There you go. See. Whoa. Why is this on MDN? Stream idea, by the way. I'm trying out Astro. Let's go. I will take it. I like it, but not more than VS Code though. Dude, so the thing is, you can use VS Code. That's not the issue. It's not an issue. But like, you've heard of Vim motions, right? This thing where like the reason it's like going kind of fast and all is because of Vim motions. So if you use Vim motions at the very least, it's fine. VS Code is not the. I mean, if you don't like whatever this and that, but like I don't like the file tree and all. It's like too confusing, or like I just want to code. So that's what helps. Like that's what NeoVim helps me with. But if you're using like Vim motions, then it doesn't matter. Dino, crazy. WebSocket stream, man, dude, this is so interesting. I love all of this. Web workers, by the way. Yep. There you go. URL. Let's go. But like, what is the URL? Give me an example. There you go. Example.com. Protocol 1, Protocol 2, HTTP upgrade mechanism. It relies on the HTTP upgrade mechanism. So the request for the protocol upgrade is implicit when we address web server as got it. So technically, then this should be localhost 3001. Expected 0 arguments, but got one. Oh my god, dude, you are so right. URL string. What do you need to do with the URL? Socket const socket is equal to web socket. Yep. Sorry, not const. Private. Right. This socket is equal to web socket with the URL socket. Yeah. Socket.disconnect. What? Is there not a disconnect thing? I should don't code fast. I create more notes and stuff and then only code. So most of the timing is thinking and the bottleneck is not the typing itself. Okay. Interesting. So, yeah, WebSocket. I need this. There should be a connect and close and send. Yeah, close. So not disconnect. Or maybe disconnect. Close. Oh, my bad. Oh, yeah, this should come then. Yeah. Send, close, error, open. Yep, open, I think. Dot open. On open. Oh, yeah, dude, I'm forgetting how I did this in like ESP32 thing. How did I do it? I will have to refer to that. Just saying. Oh, there you go. That's it. Create a WebSocket connection. Send. Okay. What is Redis? Are you rage baiting me? Some guy 4242V? Or are you asking seriously? Because if you're asking seriously, we can entertain that. But if you're asking as rage bait is not tolerated in this stream. It's a remote dictionary service, by the way. It's pretty cool. It's what like it serves multi-purpose purposes. You can use it as cache. You can use it as like a database, whether it's a local host. What? In what sense? Whoa, bro! One sec, chat. Oh, local storage. Oh, Redis is like a server. Like you can have a separate. Okay, wait. I'll like draw this out, but let me get chat first. Also, is there a bit of an accent in my accenting? Anyway, wait, just one second. I'm getting up chat. Then I'll share screen. Then we'll do that. But basically, oh shoot. Oh, sorry. Basically, like one use case of it is using it as cache on the server side. How is it different than local storage? You don't want some stuff in local storage, so you use it as cache in your like to store database stuff, or like database data from the database in that cache, so you don't hit the database as often. And how much can you store in local storage, you know? And also, like, in asynchronous backend communication stuff, or like microservices, you have different backend services talking to each other, right? So they might use Redis to talk to each other. So local storage doesn't make sense there, because like your browser can't talk to like a microservice or another microservice. So that's what you do, because your browser gets like the final result. But to get the final result, there might be multiple microservices talking to each other. They might use Redis to communicate with each other. So that's what we're doing in like this thing, this activity monitor thing. So yeah. Oh yeah, there is chat. I hope that was like clear. If that's not clear, like let me know. Just sometimes I'm not good at explaining stuff. I should get better at that. But why can't wait 1 second? I just have to resize it. Can you just resize? Yeah, okay. Are we sharing screen? We are not. Idiot. Professional streamer, by the way. Yeah, sorry. I need to be here or not there here. But why can't you just query straight to the DB? How does it make it faster? Because, okay. Imagine your data. Actually, we can use excalibur.com for this. Okay. Actually, we don't need it, but like it's fun to visualize it. You know what I mean? Okay, imagine this is your DB. Okay. Horrible. Terrible. Imagine this is your DB, right? This is your backend. Okay. Now, imagine you get like a request from the front end for something. Okay. Your backend talks to the database. The database gives back some data. Simple. This is like backend 101. The reason you add in a cache or not always query the DB is because of two things. One is sometimes your database or like the data in your database doesn't get updated regularly for some particular things, right? So it doesn't make sense to hit the database again and again and again for that, when you can just store it somewhere where you know it's not going to be updated frequently, and when it does update, you can then update the database. So it just helps with caching. But imagine like your app has like 100,000 users, so it's not just one request, but it's like multiple requests hitting the database, right? Like just God knows how many requests, and that too, like one user can do a read request and the same user can do a write request. So it's not just you're getting 100,000 requests from those particular concurrent users, by the way. So it's not just that you're getting 100,000 requests for one particular thing, but like one user can do multiple requests. So you can't ask your database for all those 100,000 requests, right? So instead of, and your database has some limit on like how much it can read and write at one particular time, because when you do connection pooling, or like when you query the database, it makes a connection for that particular query and then disconnects. So if you're doing it constantly and you're reading and writing constantly, the database itself has a limit. So after a point when you need to scale, you add in cache where you're basically saying that, okay, to not let the database go down, because if the database goes down, you don't have data. The data that is not frequently changing, I'll store it in the cache. And yeah, that's when I need it, I will give it to the backend. Pretty much it. It's basically to like help systems scale. That's like one of the main reasons. If you have like a lot of users and if you're getting a lot of hits on your database. That's it. Did that explain it? Or am I not clear over there? Are there any real examples? Dude, every application has cache. Instagram has some cache. AWS would have some cache. Dude, Instagram cache. We use, like the company I'm working at, we use Redis for caching. Yeah. Okay. Examples of Redis cache in real world applications. But for what kind of link message or leaderboard? That's a good question. So, mm, so the thing is, you can store anything you want. Like you can store any data in Redis. What you need to store in Redis, that's what you have to decide. As for what data usually people store, I think one of them was here, right? Yeah. So, for example, like if you're using JWT and all, that's where your token won't change for quite a while, right? So why would you read tokens again and again from the database? So that's where you would store it in Redis. And when the token gets expired, Redis has an option to expire a particular key. So you can expire it when the token gets expired. That's when you like all of this is over here. So full page caching, database query caching. So all these things are there. API response caching. Now, what kind of API response? Analytics and leaderboards, rate limiting. Oh yeah, you can store like IPs in Redis. So that like imagine if you have a database table which is to whitelist or blacklist IPs. That's not going to change a lot. This could be one use case. So yeah, and like also I'm also still learning this. Like I'm not an expert on Redis. That's why I'm on the docs and also like. But this is the general idea that I'm aware about. Microservices mentioned, let's go. Same dude. I mean, I'm not a college student, but like I'm also still learning. Like I've not used Redis properly, but like I know about like a rough idea of it. That's what like, even I want to learn Redis properly. So that's why I'm like getting my hands dirty on this. But good questions, dude. Like keep asking these good questions. You know what I mean? So yeah, but there are like, dude, I'm sure there are like some engineering articles like from real companies where they're using this. Um, Let me ask Claude. This is where I would ask Claude. Uh, Give me links to some real engineering articles where Redis is being used as cache. Also, Redis. One of the use cases of Redis is being used as cache. It can be used as many other things. Cloud over ChatGPT? Yeah, because I'm a sane developer and I'm not insane and a psychopath. So yeah. Oh, do they actually have an article of what? Wow, crazy. Wow, I had no idea, dude. That's crazy. Redis client, all these things. Okay, interesting. Also, Redis is single threaded. I had no idea. LinkedIn case study. Let's go. Can you go there? Thank you very much. Yeah, so all this is there. What is this actually? I have not read it. Season 3, Season 4, Bosom Buddy. Why? Because Claude is better in programming than any other model that's there. Uber engineering. Let's go. Uber. Dude, all of them are the same at this point. Everyone's just hyping up a new model. Claude will OpenAI released a model. Claude, Anthropic is going to release another model very soon. It's like just stick to one. Stop jumping around. It's fine. Like, dude, Byte go. Oh my god, let's go. Yeah, let's go. There you go. Example of Redis cache. Oh, you also store OTPs in sometimes in cache. I think. Yeah, you can basically, but like I think. So yeah, there you go. Uber uses Redis. Let's go. See, real world use cases. Okay, now let's not be distracted and let's actually program for a bit. Not rename, delete. Thank you very much. Actually, let's not delete it. I like it. Now we're going to sort some skill issues when we're going to use this stuff over here. How do I actually like Does it master what DB use? Does it matter what DB? Um, yeah, obviously. Um, why wouldn't it matter? Not all databases are the same. Connection open. Uh huh. Is that it? Fired when a connection is closed. Listen to these events using add event listener or by assigning an event listener to the on event name. Oh, these are the event names. But these are also functions, right? Uh huh. Uh huh. Uh huh. Uh huh. Open event. How to some skill issues we're sorting out right now, guys. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good time to ask Lord. Just join. What are you learning? Oh, dude, who am I? That's a good question. Self-awareness, by the way. We're doing some. We're trying to make a real-time activity monitor with Redis streams. That's what I'm learning because just in general, I want to get better at backend stuff for this year. So this is like one thing that I have in my prototype list to try out. That's what I'm doing. Where we have like different backend setup and we have a front end ready. So like we're coding this out right now, by the way. So it's going to basically monitor HTTP requests, and what I want is essentially if I go here, yeah. So it's like not I've started this, but this is the dashboard where like when a request comes in on one particular backend, it will talk to Redis and another backend which is connected with Redis and the front end. I will automatically see up the request details over here. So that's what I'm making right now. It's like a small prototype. So yeah. Also, how did you know about the stream? That's my question. Oh my god, JavaScript info, dude! I love this website. They have a WebSocket thing. That's crazy. Also, I'm not gonna lie, we're also doing a bit of like random programming at the moment. So finish one thing and then like I just want to make it work. Twin, I'll go and sleep now. Great stream, take it. Bye, Ruben. Thanks for joining. Have a good sleep. Oh, it's 11:19, dude. Okay. Is it Vim editor? NeoVim, by the way. By the way. NeoVim, by the way. Yeah. Okay. There you go. On message. Question is, how do you? Oh, I think I know. Let's try this out. This dot init. Okay. Init. And this is where I put all this stuff, right? Now let's actually write it. This dot so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the state private is connected. Yep. Initially this should be false. Connected is false, right? क्या कहते हैं? Connected is false. How did we update connection? Or just what? Damn, dude! What's a good name for this? Oh, I could use like a get set thing, right? How did you do a get set thing? Damn, I forgot like a lot of things. Get set JS classes. That explains it. I was surfing YouTube from past 2 days to switch from Linux to Windows and suddenly a backend. Oh, yeah, that's funny. I get it. YouTube algorithm, dude. JavaScript info, by the way. I would not mind JavaScript.info on this. Whoa. Yeah, okay. There you go. I'm forgetting basic JavaScript syntax, so this is not good. I hate it. I want like a class getter setup. There's a class that you said. An example is all I'm asking for you. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I think I get it. I don't need it here then. Or do I need it here then? I think I do need it here. Oh yeah, I remember. Yep. Also, I think I'm getting an accent for no reason. Yeah. Okay. So this is how you do it. Get this connected. क्या कहते हैं? Connected boolean. Yep. If this dot is connected is not equal to, sorry, is equal to connected, continue. Or actually, just let's do the opposite. If it's not the same, then this dot is connected is equal to connected. Yep. What is the issue? Oh, set. Yeah, I remember. I'm not that stupid. Let's go. Okay. So, HTTP requests. Let's just do like a simple one for now. Add request, where we get in a request, which would be an HTTP request. This dot push request. Yeah, just like we're keeping things very simple right now. On open. Whoa. Yeah, function, no? Event. Okay, so this is gonna do something. Do we need any of this? Yeah, sure. Let's do an alert. Why not? Are you a college student? Probably third year. I a little bit offended. I graduated last year and I've been working for like the past 1 year. So yeah, but I get it. The face, I get it. So no offense taken. This socket.send. Why is the is not a user type WebSocket? What? What? Nah, it's fine. I get it. I get that a lot. So like are you still in college? I'm like, I'm working. It's fine. Wait. Socket.send. Yeah. Oh. Is it that? Yeah. Knew it. Lesson in there, by the way, chat. If you use your normal functions, you lose reference of this. So instead of using normal functions, you use arrow functions, which retains the value of this, by the way. I found that out the hard way last time. So yeah, that's fun. Okay, let's open, let's close. Technically, I can move these over here, but it's fine. Let's I think I'm writing. Let's figure it out. Even corrected off screen. Okay, that's on open. This can be on close, where I'm basically saying this dot disconnect. Yep. Also not cool. Where are you from? Like, are you in college? What's up? What do you mean retains? I thought it was syntax reference. Nope. So property socket does not exist on type WebSocket. So this is not able to like reference the correct socket over here, right? So for this to reference the correct socket, you need an arrow function basically, because like the way arrow function handles this is different from the way normal functions handle this. So, oh yeah, this thing, right? Yeah, on error, I'll just. Uh, okay, that is done. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but okay, I want to make the mistake of like not having it perfect on the first go, because like then that's how I did it. Just started third year. Let's go, dude. Are you like from India? Are you not from India? Because like usually like Indians come on the channel, so just curious. You know what I mean? Opening a WebSocket. Bada boom, bada boom. So technically, this should like work, right? Upgrading. This is the normal, and yeah, let's go. That's what I thought. Because I thought it came from Twitter, and I was like, oh, how many people are? I don't think a lot of people are. 4 people, not bad. Is Shashwat still here? Is the question. This is how it does the thing, which is great. Connection close, socket dot close. Let's go. The other party. Normally, when a party wants to close the connection, they send a connection close frame with a numeric code. Dude, I need to read this thing, dude. This is so good. Chat example. Let's go. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm in the background. Let's go, Shashwat. Sorry to disturb. I just, when you're on stream, it's like we're coding together. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay, on message function event. I do want an on message. Of course, that's like the most important one. This dot socket dot on message equal to e. So this is when I update the state, right? Let message is equal to event dot e dot data, and not process message. Say, process message where I'm sending in a message, which I think this can be any. That is not correct. This is correct. Yeah, I need to be wary of that. Message any. For now, we'll just like console log it. Update the UI here. Sorry, not UI, state here. Which will update the UI, but whatever. So the thing is, I was trying to learn web dev. I mean, I just learned JavaScript, from Chai or code, but the thing is now everyone is on my back telling me to drop that into AML. It will be a better switch and all. Oh, what is your degree? I'm guessing like computer science itself. Also, who is everyone over here? Is it like friends? Is it family? Because like that matters a bit. Yeah. BTech CS. Oh, yeah, then it's fine. What are you interested in is the question. Dude, I'll tell you that later, but yeah, like what are you interested in? Oh, clients can be a set. Man, I have so many skill issues. I think like this weekend I'm just gonna get better at like Redis and WebSockets on the browser and like both backend, because I really need to know this. Oh, this is the server side. What am I on? Idiot. Sup, dude? I'm an idiot. I need to write this code in the server. So yeah. HTTP create server, request response, handle upgrade. Oh, this is like a raw server, dude. Nice. Yeah, my friends, like they did till React, but switched to AI/ML after I started. I can still switch. See, to be honest, I'm interested in both, but can't really take a step on both boats. Can I, lol? Yeah. You need, if you want depth, it's better to stick to one. Um, so when you say AI/ML, do you mean like proper AI/ML with like maths and all? Because a lot of AI/ML is just, hey Claude, this is a rapper, you know. Sorry, not Claude, whatever GPT, but yeah. How to send ping pong. Oh, that's fun. Also feeling constant issues ever since I started using Arch and Dual Boot. Yeah, it's fine. We're all solving skill issues. That's like the best part of it. You don't have to be an expert on day one, is what I'm telling myself, because like I should know this, but it's fine if I don't. That's why we're learning, you know. I'm in a good mood today, dude. I think after a long time, I've been programming just like for the sake of programming. So like I'm very, very happy today. Yeah, it's like very basic code, but like things are working, you know. Okay, so here's the thing. How will my client? Oh, I need to do it that way. Oh, I do have to do it that way now. It's fine, whatever. Function. Okay, init. Redis. Also, I just here. I don't know why I'm calling it core. Also, why is in this? Is it not JavaScript? Oh, my bad. That's one. But other than that, I need this to be here. Async, my bad. Oh god, I'm refactoring code which no one requires. Oh dude. This key map thing is so bad. Okay. Await client on connect, and then I'm gonna return client, I think. No, that's not return client here. What am I doing? How do I? Oh, yeah. So I can just do it here, right? Const client Redis. So let's call it Redis. It's fine. Init Redis. But I need to await this. What am I doing, dude? What am I doing? What I'm doing is basically like I want to like return Redis client from here so that I can use it in like other places. So that is what I'm trying to do. Question is, how am I gonna do it without like need to do that? Damn, I forgot JavaScript. Not good. Also export that. So I actually like let's call this index.js. Let's call this services. Yeah, that's better. I'm complicating this for no reason. I just need to breathe. Okay, we're gonna delete that. It's fine. We don't need to. We can do it here. What do I need? I need. Okay, let's pass in the client here, right? You can come here. Let's go. Let's go. Now we're back in the game, boys. Init Redis. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. We're so back. What? Of course it's available. Services. Let's go. export async function, init services, init Redis, await, try catch, oh, that's not it. Console.error, got services, got rect process dot exit one. Yeah. Okay. Now we're talking. Am I formatting this? No. Now I'm formatting this. The benefit of this, why I'm doing all that bullshit, is so I can init my services here. Right. I think that should work. And once that is up, I should also probably do one thing. Connect console.log Redis is connected. That's there you go. Right. Point is, the reason I'm doing that is so that I can get this here. Where is my client? Oh, why am I returning client? Get. Not get. What was the Redis docs? Oh, sorry. I haven't used Linux at all, but I want to switch at Arch. At start, but it's going to be better. I'm going to switch. Actually, booted Arch with Chrome desktop yesterday. And then after, for some real life tips, done. Also, I'm not the right person to ask tips from, but like happy to have you on here. Thanks for joining. After then using a 30 customization, I'm not an expert, right? And file system packages, how much of this? Yeah. Oh, your typecraft mentioned. Let's go. Okay. Now, where is Redis? Xadd. What is this? Redis streams. Okay. Before Redis streams, let's just set a value. Client.set. Yeah. Await client.set. Oh, dude, I don't even have to. Oh no, but then how am I gonna? Yeah, we'll figure it out. Let's start basics, pehले. Method. We're gonna do request.method. Export const async. My bad. Routes. Get test. Oh no, wait, actually, what am I doing? Doesn't this already have the option to do that? I don't think I need this. We'll find out. Basics of Express, dude. That is done. What else do I need? I think this is done. You need a request sender. I need to send a request, right? Name.ts. Button. ID is equal to send request button, send request. Okay. Uh-huh. UI private send request button. I think this should be a node constructor function init this init document.get element by id IDs element IDs. Send request button. Send request button. Oh no. Yeah. Element. Start. Send request button. Yeah, let's go. Send request button. Okay. Get element by ID, but where does this start? Send request button is equal to that document. Is that not what HTML element? My bad. Actually, I know it's gonna be there. Set up listeners. This dot set up listeners. And this dot send request button dot add event listener. Click send HTTP request. Yes, function send HTTP request. Also, I'm gonna just close the stream and like program alerts. So like, let's see. Also, the thing is, constants config.ts store const primary backend URL. Oh. Stream backend URL. error const yes, fetch primary backend URL. Primary backend URL slash post. See, I don't even need to get a response. I just need to send it. As an initializer. It does have an initializer. What am I doing here? This is definitely not assigning the constructor. I know it's not assigning the constructor. That's the point of this. What? Oh, is it? Well, let's. No, but I don't want to do that. Property has no initializer. No initializer. Yeah, like it's not an issue. I know it's happening. Let's go to TS config. Just make sure you are that after strict. If you're using VS Code into TS version, just initialize the array when you declare it, or inside the constructor. But I am strict class checking the. Whoa. Wait, I'm saying this? Huh. Where all the properties should be initialized, the workaround is to add a post this variable name. Very interesting. I had zero idea. We learned something new today. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, what? Okay, anyway, send request. ठीक है, that is done. So this should technically. Oh, what happened? Hey, what's wrong? Oh, my bad, my bad. Is that not it? Cannot find module imported controllers test.js. Controllers services Redis slash. I don't think that should be an issue. What? Cannot find imported from. Oh yeah, it is that. Why did I crash? For what reason? Huh? Where could it crash? Here? Do you want me to do this function? Server async वैसे तो technically it won't fail anywhere else, but like, okay. Um, what's this? In case like we add something else. Server initialization had an error. And this is also not like proper logging, so I get it. It's not perfect code. Initialize services init server. Yes, sir. Thank you. Uh-huh. Where is it crashing? What? Cannot find test.js. What? Where, bro? Services got wrecked. Oh, my bad. Bro, I logged it and I didn't see it. What is wrong with me? Why did service get wrecked? Cannot read properties of undefined reading on. Oh, there you go. Undefined? Huh? What? Oh, यार but उसको ये तो चाहिए था. Oh no, of course. Where is? Bro, am I a little bit stupid? I'm a little bit stupid. What? Everything works now. Let's go. Running. So now if I send the request, oh my god, chat's dead. I know, brother. It is like almost 12. I would expect it to be dead. Why is this not working? Because I have not initialized the state. What do I? Const UI is equal to new UI. Export const UI. Oh, यार ये एरर ये तो पहले भी फेस करा था. यस, इस नल अब आ जाएगा. But that is the issue, dear sir. Dear sir, do you see the issue? I know what to do. What am I doing wrong? Is it that? No, it's not that. I think यही नहीं हो रहा ठीक से. On document dot onload this dot global handles then fire off in Europe on DOM on drive on door controls. Callback when document is loaded. DOM content loaded. Listener, DOM content loaded. I think it's this. Let's go. सर्विसेज पहले एडिट करेगी क्या? It's fine. App.use cars. Let's go. बहुत सिंपल चीज करिए बट boom 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 boom. Let's go. So now that that is done, तो ये तो तुम्हारा हो गया components. ओके, अब क्या करना है बेसिकली? Oh my god, what's up? You tell me what's up, brother. I'm trying out Redis streams. Okay, and monitor dashboard, send the request. This is यहाँ पे, right? तो अभी ये हो गया. Okay, I need to have this connection, right? Not just Redis, brother. Real time, we're doing Redis streams. तो अभी तक थोड़ा just setup कर रहा हूँ. ये basically like एक prototype बनाना है, जहाँ पे मैं एक बैकएंड को रिक्वेस्ट भेज रहा हूँ जो Redis से बात कर रहा है, और वो Redis एक और बैकएंड से कनेक्टेड है, जो वो वाला बैकएंड इसके मॉनिटर डैशबोर्ड के साथ कनेक्टेड है through WebSockets. Okay, you don't get to say this, Mr. Database. मैं यहाँ पे Redis यूज कर रहा हूँ, तुमने Redis बनाया है, you know. तो you should code in C++ if you're doing real time. तो मेरे रूफ से अगर मैं कूदूंगा, ब्रो 12 बज गए, कब से स्ट्रीम चल रही है? एंड कितना मतलब सिंपल अभी तो कोड लिखा है. 2.5 hours, not bad. Crazy. भाई। क्या चल रहा है? थोड़ा सांस लेते हैं। चुन 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 चुन। What is up with y'all? प्लीज डोंट से JS is written in C++. क्लॉड को यूज करें? बाद में कर लूंगा, अभी आई डोंट वांट टू यूज क्लॉड, तो इस वही सीन चल रहा है। किसी ने स्ट्रीम में आके बोला कि ब्रो व्हाई नॉट यूजिंग क्लॉड GPT? आई वाज लाइक दिस इज द पार्ट ब्रो, को यूज करें। AGI dude, AGI. बाय द वे बैकग्राउंड कैसा लग रहा है? पोकेमॉन बैकग्राउंड। भाई टेल मी वन थिंग, मैं तेरे को 2 चीजें बताऊंगा शाश्वत, और 4 लोग कौन देख रहे ब्रो? क्रेजी। ऑल्सो ब्रो OBS में शिफ्ट करते हैं। Why do you guys Vizag know Hindi? Why do you guys from Vizag know Hindi? Racist. पहली बात। What do you mean? Dude, उधर I think like काफी लोगों के लिए थर्ड लैंग्वेज है, पहली बात। ठीक है। सेकेंडली, मैं टेक्निकली वाइजैक से नहीं हूँ, टेक्निकली आई एम जस्ट फ्रॉम ओवरऑल इंडिया। ओ अच्छा, इन जनरल पूछ रहा है। उनका जहाँ तक मेरे को पता है, एटलीस्ट जो मेरे दोस्त है जो अपने बैच में थे, जो काफी टाइम बचपन से वाइजैक में थे, उनका थर्ड लैंग्वेज हिंदी था, तो उसी वजह से उनको हिंदी अच्छी तरह आती है। एंड कुछ ना कुछ फैमिली में किसी कुछ फैमिली मेंबर कोई ना कोई मतलब होता है, तो घर पे यूजुअली लोग ऐसे करते हैं, डिपेंड्स मतलब। बट सिद्धार्थ, व्हाट इज योर आंसर? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? ओ एक्चुअली सिद्धार्थ ब्रो, शाश्वत क्या सवाल पूछ रहा है, देख रहा है? एक पोस्ट जो 100 के जाके पूछ रहा है, डू यू नो मी नाउ? यूर द टीवी गाय, लेट्स गो। Famous, my bot. Let's go. By the way, no React framework. This is pure तुम्हारा plain just browser stuff. Anyway, and also बहुत गंदा UI होगा, but Daisy UI will save me. My dad from Air Force, I was all over India. Oh, nice, same dude. Not Air Force, but like all over India. Let's go. Bhai DV guy done, yeah. What's this? WebSocket. Shit, हाँ, okay. Dude, so how to? Oh नहीं, इधर ही तो था, right? Yes, this is what I want. What do you mean by same? Dude, तुम्हें इतना, एक तो मैं Angular और तुम्हारे C hash, by the way, इतना मैं कर रहा हूँ कि like मैं JavaScript भूल गया। आज मुझे काफी बेसिक चीजें like गूगल करनी पड़ी। And I was like, what is happening, guys? This is not supposed to happen. I am shocked. Express and WebSocket. Servers. How can I support the stream? I would not mind, you know, $100 million donation, but कुछ नहीं bro, तू इधर है already support कर रहा है. Just have fun. You know what I mean? How to set up a WebSocket server with Express.js properly. Let's go and becoming a real engineer now. Thank you. Nobody remembers JavaScript. Brother, I like to remember. मेरे को ये नहीं use करना. Do I have no option? I love you. Funny. LOL. I don't want to use Express, dude. But थोड़े सर्वर स्पेसिफिकली तुम्हारे conundrum नॉर्मल नहीं है क्या? है, बट मैं बैकएंड के लिए एक्सप्रेस यूज कर रहा हूँ, राइट? मैं क्यों एक्सप्रेस यूज कर रहा हूँ? एक सेकेंड, होल्ड अप। नहीं वो तो है, बट वेट, वेयर इज माय अदर बैकएंड? ओह, why am I doing this? I don't need to do that. I just need to like, yeah dude, मेरे पास में एक्सप्रेस की जरूरत ही नहीं है। lol, sorry, I'm stupid. Yeah. Backend project use WebRTC. Just I know. Yeah. So I don't need that technically. बस यही तो है direct. Import WebSockets. Start. Yeah. So I don't know how to exactly do it. Is the thing WebSockets server कर रहे हैं? Okay. Okay. Function init WebSocket server. Right. इसमें थोड़ा just clean up करते हैं. Services. Index.js. Export async function init services. In fact मैं इसको copy paste करने वाला हूँ. Let's go. Pure JavaScript, by the way, just saying. Let's go. I love WebSockets because it takes real time and feels magical. But I have same dude. मैंने आज तक मैंने एक proper WebSocket project नहीं बनाया, except एक. But वो भी मतलब like मैंने like WebSockets के साथ time नहीं बिताया था. तो नहीं what? Yeah. Server new start server. No server is true. Does that mean no HTTP server? Init WSS try catch console.error starting WebSocket server process.exit1. Okay, http.create server. ये http कहाँ से आ रहा है? Implementing the RFC when time to make your own WebSocket in CPP. Dude, मैं actually मेरे पीजी में मैं कल डिनर के लिए गया था. हमारे यहाँ पे एक ढाबा है 2 मिनट के वॉक पे. तो क्या कहते हैं, एक सेकेंड, हमारे यहाँ पे 2 मिनट से वॉक करके एक ढाबा है जहाँ पे मैं डिनर करता हूँ रेगुलरली. तो उधर कल मैं गया था एंड यूजुअली पीजी में मेरा एक दोस्त है बट वो अभी लाइक अपने घर गया है. तो मैं मतलब अपने आप से गया था ढाबा और जो पीजी में एक और बंदा है वो उधर मेरे को मिला. तो हम ऐसे साथ में डिनर कर रहे थे एंड वो उस बंदे ने वो 32 का है. वो 10 साल पहले जब वो 22-23 का था क्या कहते हैं, उसने फ्रॉम स्क्रैच सी में एक एम्बेडेड प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, क्योंकि वो एक एम्बेडेड इंजीनियर की तरह काम कर रहा था, फ्रॉम स्क्रैच उसने एक इम्प्लीमेंट लाइक एक लाइब्रेरी इम्प्लीमेंट करा जो तुम सी में तुम बेसिकली एचटीटीपी रिक्वेस्ट वगैरह कर पाते हो. उस टाइम पे तो था भी नहीं और लाइक प्रोप्राइटरी था अगर था भी. तो काइंड ऑफ क्रेजी. WSS dot but ये HTTP कहाँ से आ रहा है? Import HTTP from HTTP. Is it that? Create server. Let's go. Request response. WSS dot upgrade. Handle upgrade. Request dot socket. Interesting. Yeah, I have to study more about this because this is very interesting. Buffer alloc on socket connect. Where is on socket connect coming from? Buffer dot alloc. What is alloc? Allocates a buffer of size bytes. Okay. On socket connect, which I'm guessing ये वाला function हम लिखेंगे, right? Yep, there you go. Damn, क्या? What happened? Um, तो किस पोर्ट पे चलेगा? How will I check that? On message ये चाहिए, message dot slice. Why are we slicing? Oh, max. Okay. What? On message handler मेरा function message. On error function error. Oh. On close function lines dot delete WebSocket. Error WS error WS on message for let client inclines client dot off. My bad. Client dot send. What? Message. हाँ, for the client of client. You should stream and find out. Stream करते वक्त कोड करना मुश्किल होता है ना? Let's progress. I think I should have chilled. I mean, obviously जब तुम stream करो तो I don't expect like 100% focus on that, but that's fine. Like as long as like तुम code पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दे रहे हो, 80-20 split है, then it's like good enough. तो plus like ADHD help करता है just, you know. So why is this not exactly working? Let client of client send message, client dot send message. हाँ सही तो है. Oh my bad. Shift key, right? Oh, okay. It's a set. Okay. That's great. I do have to install. I had no idea. ये डन है. इसको प्रॉपर मैं पढ़ूंगा. I think I should read this. This is good knowledge. जा रहा है शाश्वत. मैं भी बंद करने का सोच रहा हूँ. Yeah, same. I think stream बंद कर देता है. Almost 3 hours. Let's go. Not bad. We're so back. चलो. I will coach off stream. But thank you for joining. Thank you for staying. Bye bye. कल I think मैं continue करूँगा stream. इस पे same चीज़ और continue करेंगे. चलो. Bye bye. Good night.